So, I'm close to Tobago, and well, I baked myself some brownie cupcake thingies. Nice, aren't they? Woohoo! Behind the sunset there is Trinidad. Yes. Well, good morning. It's the 1st of December and after 22 days I arrived in Trinidad and Tobago. I need to do something with my hair. So I'll show you what I see. So to avoid to arrive too early, I slowed down. And then last night I went with 3 knots of current and 3 knots of wind, so very fast. And then I thought, oh shit. And then I slowed down again for another 2 hours, I think. Yeah. And now the wind died down, the current died down, and I am on the motor. But yeah. After 22 days of sailing, who cares? Here comes the sun, little darling. Here comes the sun. Yeah, between Trinidad and Manus Islands are filled with eddies, so fast swirling current. The sailboat that just passed me was like going over the waves like this, and I have 1.5 current against me and going 3 knots of speed. So it seems like I'm doing well, but speed over ground is 1.5. Yes, I've made it to Trinidad and Tobago. Woohoo! 22 days of sailing. Wow, and it's worth it. I have landed next to Gerard, and I heard that he's gonna leave the mooring this afternoon. So I asked him if I can spend the morning next to his boat, so that when he leaves the mooring that I can take it over. And that really worked. So here's the boat. I'm already on the mooring. So how did that work? Well, the moorings are all occupied, and then I saw this dinghy, and I saw the same dinghy again. I thought they know the anchorage very well, so I asked, like, is there any free mooring ball? And then they said, well, in the afternoon the red and white boat is gonna leave. So then I asked the gentleman of the red and white boat if I was able to put my boat against his until he's leaving, and he said yes. So very happy, good choice. I'm here at the market, and it's incredible. They have so many things, and it's also not so very expensive, so very nice. Sorry.
Wie smaakt dit?
Lekker.
Zeker.
So people told me I could do the laundry at Peaks, but also at Powerboats. And Powerboats is closer to my boat. So So I rode there, took a cold drink. Oh no, I first went to the office and they said, no, you're not registered here, so sorry, we cannot help you. Well, then I walked back with the IKEA bag full of clothes. Took a cold papaya drink, which is really, really lovely. And then I rode to Peaks and tried to get to the office to get me some coins for the laundry. And of course, the office was closed at 12, so it was too late. And then this lovely guy in the garden said to me, well, I've got some coins for you. So now my wash is like really getting clean, and after that really getting dry. And I'm very, very happy. Basic things in life.
I arrived safely in Trinidad, set my first steps on the heart, enjoying the harbor of Peaks with all the people around it and meeting nice people, enjoying the view of the very beautiful harbor and the boats. And now I'm making myself ready to get hauled out of the water and have the boat repairs done so that I can continue my journey onward. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you to my Patreons for your support. If you want to become a Patreon, it's patreon.com/Loveworkx, or for one-time or monthly donations through PayPal, it's paypal.me/Loveworkx. See you soon!